Good afternoon, class. Today we discuss a new chapter of your chemistry book, which is a matter. You see a number of things around you. At a school, you see tables, chairs, desks, and benches, and all other things. They all are made up of wood, which is a material found in nature. The material which are found in nature are called naturally occurring material. You also have seen objects such as cup, buckets, etc. made up of plastic, which is also a material. It is not found in nature but is made up by man and is called man-made material. Some materials such as fruits, milk can be used as they occur in nature, but other are required to be processed before they are used. Example, iron, sugar cane, firewood cannot be put to sea without any processing. So we can say that matter is defined as anything which occupied space and has a mass. Now we discuss about the properties of matter. Matter has mass and occupies space. These are two basic property of matter. Now we discuss first about mass. Mass is the quantity of matter in an object where weight is a measure of earth pull of gravity on a object. The mass of an object is always the same regardless or where the object is. An object should have the same mass on the moon or on the Jupiter as it has an earth. What do you understand by the difference between mass and weight? Mass is a measure of quantity of matter contained in a body, whereas weight is the force with which the earth attracts a body. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, but for weight is Newton. Now we discuss about the volume. What do you understand by volume? Volume is the space occupied by an object is called its volume. Is called its volume. The volume in case of solid, the solid have a definite volume, whereas liquid have a also definite volume. Liquid also have a definite volume, while gases have no definite volume. In case of gases, they have no definite volume. Solid, liquid, gas, there are three main state of matter. There are three main state of matter: solid, liquid, gas. And the characteristic shape of solid is a definite shape. Solid has a definite shape, but liquid have no definite shape. Liquid have no definite shape. It acquired those shape in which it kept. And gases also have no definite shape. It also have no definite shape. What do you understand by compressibility of solid? Solid is no compressible, but liquid have slightly compressibility, but the gas has highly compressible. Gas has highly compressible property. And the diffusion nature of solid is diffusion have no diffusibility with other solid substance, but liquid have a slightly diffusibility with other liquid have diffusibility with other liquid, but in slightly. But in case of gases have highly diffusibility. Two or more gases highly diffusible to each other. Highly diffusible to each other. What do you understand by diffusion? Means mixing. In a simple general language, it means mixing. Thank you.